Last night, Chainlink broke out into a new all-time high yet again, breaking above the previous high at $8.90, hitting prices like $9.75. We are currently trading at $9.50, which means we are 50 cents away from hitting $10. For those of you that are familiar with my content and you watch this channel, you guys know this is exactly what we've been expecting since even before the break of the all-time high. This is the type of stuff we were looking for. Let's play some clips. Some of these numbers sound crazy, 20% to the upside, 44% to the upside, but you guys got to remember that during a blue sky breakout, these types of moves are possible. There's no previous resistance. If there is a lot of demand, if there is a lot of interest for Chainlink, you're gonna see these types of moves that, yes, we were on a steady upward sloping trend. Now we're breaking this upward sloping trend line, but very likely what's gonna happen is we're gonna create a larger scale parabolic formation. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svensson, and today we're going to be talking about the new all-time highs for Chainlink. I know that a lot of my viewers have heard me talk about Chainlink a lot, and I know a lot of you guys ended up buying Chainlink. So congratulations to all you guys out there making gains right now. Before we get started, definitely smash up that like button. I'm looking at the Cryptowatch asset card list right now, and what we can see is that most of the top cryptos are down. But if you look to the bottom left, Chainlink is currently up 12.18%, trading at $9.53, hitting new all-time highs. I'm looking at Chainlink on the weekly chart right now, and it's amazing to see that we are just breaking all-time high after all-time high. And a lot of people out there are still wondering, why is Chainlink so bullish? Well, guys, we've discussed this many times in the past in a lot of my videos. Chainlink is now seeing emotional feedback, right? So what that means is that all the people that bought below the all-time high, below $5 that were accumulating down here, now that we've seen a break above the all-time high, all the people that were accumulating in this area are very happy, and they're making a lot of buzz on social media, and they're telling everybody to buy Chainlink, right? They're very happy to tell people to buy Chainlink, and this is creating emotional feedback. And this was the reason why, like you saw in the beginning of the video, why I was so confident that Chainlink was going to find support in between the 50% retrace and the 382, find a parabolic low, and bounce up. This was the reason I was confident in that. There was a lot of support that came into the market here during this low point and pushed us higher, just as we expected. And looking at the daily chart, since a reversal at $8.90, we came back, found the next parabolic low, and we have continued up, just like we discussed in yesterday's video. Now the question is, what's going to happen to Chainlink? How high are we going to go? What targets are we looking out for next? So Chainlink is currently trading at $9.60, right? Continuing the blue sky breakout, going through price discovery. It's very difficult to figure out exactly what the targets are going to be during a blue sky breakout because, there's no previous resistance, and it's all based on the levels of demand that there are at the time of the breakout, right? One great way to determine price targets as you're going through price discovery during a blue sky breakout is to use your fib extensions. What I'm going to do is go from the high at $5.10 to the low at $1.44. And what we can see is that Chainlink already exceeded the 1618 fib extension. We broke above it, came back, found support right along it, and rallied up once again. So the next area to target is actually coming in at the 2618 at 11 US dollars. So that is what I'm looking out for now. So now looking a little bit closer at the daily chart, if we're going to head towards 11 US dollars, what's very likely going to happen is we're going to hit that target, possibly exceed it a little bit, and then eventually pull back, possibly retest the highs at $8.90 before the next major leg up. This is usually how parabolic trends are formed. You break out, you come back to retest the highs once again before the next leg up. So this is the kind of structure that I'm looking for, and Chainlink would very likely be entering a parabolic trend at that point. So this is what I think is most likely for Chainlink right now. 11 USD is the next target. We could exceed it a little bit, just like we did at the 1618 before pulling back. And we could be looking to test back as low as $9 before the next major bounce after we hit the 2618, right? Now, the question is, what's going to happen after that? Should you sell at 11 USD? Personally, I'm not selling at 11 US dollars. I'm going to be holding. I think we have much higher prices to go. And what I'm expecting from Chainlink in the long term is similar to what happened to Ethereum in 2017, also kind of similar to Bitcoin. When you see these coins finally entering their large scale uptrends, what usually happens is, you find a blow off top, possibly around $20 for Chainlink. You end up breaking down, pulling back. breaking below the immediate parabolic structure and forming what is a larger scale parabolic structure. And this is what Ethereum did. This is what a Bitcoin did. Most coins that are looking for major uptrends, what you see is a short-term parabola formed, a breakdown of that short-term parabola, and the creation of a much larger scale parabola. So this is the kind of action that I'm expecting from my experience as a macro analyst, as someone who's always trading the macro trends. This is the type of stuff that I'm looking out for. So I'm looking out for Chainlink to run up to potentially $20 by the end of the year, possibly break that trend, because obviously, guys, we're not just going to go parabolic forever. At some point, you're going to break the parabolic trend. But what I'm looking for after that is a large-scale parabolic formation. You know, of course, this all sounds super bullish. This sounds overly bullish for Chainlink. But I'm telling you guys, at the end of the year, maybe in 2021, you're going to see this clip played, and we're going to be forming a parabolic structure that resembles this. I'm very confident. This is usually how parabolic trends form, and this is exactly what I expect from Chainlink right now. So I expect 11 USD, a pullback to 9, a run up to potentially $20 before breaking the parabolic trend, coming back to test closer to 10 USD before a large scale run forms, right? Before we really start to make those epic gains. And that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, before you go, I just need to mention that this is the last month that I'm going to be offering the $19 price for my Patreon Tier 2 slot. Prices are going to be going up after this month, and there are limited spots left, so definitely join Tier 2 if you want to support this channel and get extra content. And last but not least, the Cryptowatch platform is now free to use. You can chart and trade for free. Click this tutorial that's popping up on the screen right now. Sign up. It is totally free, guys. You got nothing to lose. Check it out, and I'll see you all in the next video.